Hello folks, well I'm going to try a new video in the kitchen and we shall see how we go with that because the light is much better here in the kitchen. And this is today's post bag, some more Soviet watches, woohoo! And here we go. This is today's post bag, and what do we have here? What looks to be a generalskie without any hands. It's a Komandirskies. I've got hands for that. That's going to take no time at all. A very, very unusual bezeled paratrooper Komandirskies. It's got blood all over it as well, which I'm a bit concerned about, but there you go. And here she is, look at that. Admiralskie. The second hand is there, and this one, I think the balance is knackered on it. This is, look at that, that is absolutely astonishing case. That is the Russians, they knew what they were doing. So still wearing my amphibia as usual. That's brilliant watch that is. Well, the difference between the amphibia there and the three there is that these are chrome or TIN plated brass, whereas the amphibia is actually stainless steel. And that's a beautiful bit of watch that is. This one, you think, oh look, it's got a round case. But it's got like this kind of, I don't know, cheese cutter. It's a bit manky around the back. This one's going to take a bit of cleaning to get right. But this one's working. I'm quite pleased with it. But this bezel I've not seen. And I've been looking at tons of pictures. And I've not seen this bezel anywhere. This is a very, very unusual case and bezel combination. In fact, I might actually speak to Vostok directly about that. The loom's very good on it. This one here, it's got a smashed crystal, unfortunately. As you can see, is it going to focus? This one says it was created in Russia. And this one is obviously... that's it's either a battleship or an aircraft carrier, I can't remember which. And it's got a cracked glass as well, which is a shame, because it's actually, this is a bit of a stonker, this one is, the old Soviets, they really knew what they were doing, making ugliest watches in the planet that are just so uber cool. Oh yeah, and if you're a fan of I've just spotted my local factory shop thing come through, right? And look, Lambretta and Ben Sherman, yes. So I do a bit of my Lambretta and Ben Sherman, so that's where I'll be heading tomorrow to get myself some new polo shirts and some new t-shirts. So 2 for 20 quid. Well, I shall be there. Right, I will leave you all to it. Tonight's dinner is gammon stew, which is percolating nicely in there. Peas, carrots, taters, tomatoes, nice thick gravy, huge double chunk of gammon in there. Lovely. Right, see you in the next one.